we are presenting to you the All Powers R1500 portable home generator system.
Yes, this is solar, guys. As you can see, I have the solar panel. This is one solar panel.
I love that.
All of 400 watts.
Love
all right?
that too.
Yes. So this system is 1,152 watts or 1.1 kilowatt. This is a huge battery. It's plenty of backup battery that in the event of a power outage, it can give your house good backup supply. Or in our use case scenario here, we are out in the beach, right? We're having a relaxing evening. So we just brought our power out. We wanna do some work on the laptop.
Yes.
You know, and just relax.
And even if you want to have like a party, like what we had for Caribbean the other day, a backup generator was so essential. So one of these, perfect for when you're having outdoor events. So even if you're doing activities away from home where there's not immediate power supply, you can bring this. For example, the other day we were out and we were doing some heavy duty tiling. We had machines on this.
Yes. Grinders. So we have the grinder, we have the jackhammer, all of that being powered by this, and this enabled us to get the job done, right? We have tiling being done far away from any grid supply, and we did just fine with this All Powers R1500 generator system.
Yes.
So if you want to purchase, link to purchase will be in the description box, all right?
So go check that out, go check out that link. You have so many areas right here that you can utilize. So we have our USB outlets where basically you can charge your USB devices, you can charge your Type-Cs. You know, it's modern, it's really useful and convenient. Of course, we have your DC output. So we do have your car charger station right here, and you also have additional outputs for your devices. We have plugs,
and you have the plug for your RV there, and other 110 outputs as well.
Exactly.
Right.
So this is equipped to accommodate so many devices all at once and in various capacities. Really awesome, and the power that is putting out. And let's talk about these panels.
What I immediately noticed about this system, it is very efficient in terms of the charging output from the solar panels. This is a 400 watt setup right here, and at any given time when we have good sunlight, we get over 300 watt input into the system. We find that this system is very efficient in terms of the charging input, so we really love that.
Yeah, so we're here by the beach, we're enjoying the atmosphere, but we also can utilize our laptop to do our video editing because we don't have to worry about a power source. We are getting it directly from the sun. Important to note as well, this thing is hybrid, so it charges while you're using it. So that's a great addition to the system.
We really love it. If you guys are interested in purchasing, link in the description box below, the All Powers R1500 system. Check it out.